So January 2021, question number 5, this says 65 students took an algebra test which comprised 15 multiple choice questions. The number of correct answers that each student obtained is recorded in the table below. Using the table, determine the number of students who had exactly 13 correct answers. So number of students is in the column to the right, correct answers is in the column to the left. So 13 correct answer here corresponds with 11 students. So the answer here is 11 students. We're asked for the modal number of correct answer. Now the mode is the value with the highest frequency. The frequency here is the number of students. The highest frequency is what? 14, and it corresponds to 9 correct answer. So the mode is 9 correct answers. The mode is the value with the highest frequency. Next, we're asked for the median. Guys, when you have on group data and you're asked for the median, you must put in this is the median number of correct answers. You must put in the cumulative frequency. Now, cumulative frequency means you're going to add the frequency going down. So this is 6. Now 6 plus 14 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 plus 6 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. 30 plus 11 is 41. 41 plus 9 is 50. And 50 plus 10 is 60. So there are a total of 60 students. All right, what's the next thing we need to do? The next thing we need to do is we need to calculate what is n plus 1 over 2. Guys, n is the sum of the frequency. So n is equal to 60. We just added the frequency and we got 60. N is 60. So this is 60 plus 1 over 2. This is 61 over 2. This is 30.5 TH. Now, the 30.5 is not telling you what the median is. It's telling you where the median is. All right, so with 60 values, the median is the average of the two middle values. So this is telling me that the median is the average of the 30th and the 31st value. So I need the 30th value and I need the 31st value. Now that I'm going to get from the cumulative frequency. And I'll show you what I mean. The first 6 value is 8. The 6, after 6 you have 7. So the 20th value is 9. After 20 you have what? 21st. So and the 22nd value is 10. Now after 22nd you have what? 23rd. So the 28th value is 11. Then what? The 29th and the 30th value is 12. So the 29th and the 30th value is 12. So I need the 30th value, which is 12. And then now the what? the 31st to the what? 41st value is 13. So I need the 31st value, which is 13. So the median Q2 is equal to 12 plus 13 over 2. This is 25 over 2. This is 12 and a half correct. The median is 12 and a half or 12.5 correct answers. So if you have on group frequency distribution and you're asked to find the median, that is the procedure you'd have to take. Next, we're asked to determine the probability that a student chosen at random had at least 12 correct answers. Guys, at least is an inequality term and it means greater than or equal to. So what we want is the probability that there were number of correct answers is greater than or equal to 12. At least is an inequality term and it means greater than or equal to. So let us find out how many students had 12 or more than 12 answers. That's all of these students here. These students had either 12 answers correct or more than 12. In total, that is what? 32. So this is 32 out of 60 students. So this is 32 divided by 60. Or 0.53 or 53%. So there's a 53% chance that if you selected a student at random, that student would have had 12 correct answers or more than 12 correct answers. All right, this is a pie chart, but in this question, the pie chart has already been drawn for you. It says, a group of students wrote a physics examination. Each of the students achieved a grade 1, 2, 3, or 4. The pie chart below shows the results. 39 students achieve grade 3. Determine the total number of students who wrote the examination. All right, so grade 3, which is 39 students, is represented by 117 degrees. The total number of students, I don't know, I'll call it X, would be represented by 360 degrees. So 39 students is represented by, on the pie chart, by 17 degrees. The total number of students X would be represented by 360 degrees. Then I would cross multiply 117 X would be equal to 39 times 360. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 117. And now X, the total number of students, would be 39 times 360 divide by 117. The answer here is 120 students. So 120 students wrote the examination. 120 students wrote the examination. What else? We're told that the ratio of the number of students who achieved grades 1, 2, or 3 is, so grades 1, 2, and 3. The ratio is what? 2 to what? 4 to what? 3. A student passed the examination if he or she achieved a grade 1, 2, or 3. So how many students passed the exam? Sorry, how many students passed the exam? So the ratio of 1, 2, or 4, this is not 3, 1, 2, or 4. The ratio of 1 to our 4 is 2 to 3 to 2 to 4 to 3. All right. And we're told that 39 students get 39 students. 39 students achieve grade 3. So 1 to 2, sorry, number of students who pass 1, number of students who pass 2, number of students who pass 4, who get a grade 4 is equal to 120 minus 39. Remember, there are a total of, so this is how much? 81 students. There were a total of 120 students. 29 got grade 3. 39 got grade 3. So the number of students who get 1 plus the number of students who get 2 plus the number of students who get 4 is 120 minus the 39, which is 81 students. So 1 to 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 39 students. Those who pass are those who get 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 together is 6 out of the what? 6 out of the 9 here. 6 out of 9 of the what? 81. So 1, 2, and 4 together is 81. 1 and 2, so it's like the 81 is divided into 9 parts. 1 and 2 is 6 out of the 9 parts. 9 into 81 is 9. 9 times 6 is 54 students. So altogether, 54 students got a grade. Together, 54 students got grade 1 and 2. But what we are asked is how many students pass. So the number of students passing would be those who get 1 and 2, which is 54, plus those who get 3, which is 39. So how much is this altogether? This is 93. A total of 93 students passed the exam. A total of 93 students passed the exam. This is the last part of the question. Determine the value of the angle for the sector representing grade 1 in the pie chart. So we need to see grade 1 is how much students. Grade 1 is 2 out of the 9 of 81. So grade 9 is a total of what? 18 students. So want to see now what sector angle is represented by grade 1. The sector angle would be 18, which is the number of students who got grade 1 out of 120, which is the total number of students, multiplied by 360, which is the amount of degrees in a circle. 120 goes into 363 times. 3 times 18, this is 54 degrees. So in drawing my pie chart, the number of students who got grade 1 would be represented by 54 degrees.